Hi,
Hi.
I'm sitting here with Florian from CFM, Capital Fund Management. And Florian, you're working there as an ML engineer. Did I
Yeah,
understand that correct?
yeah, ML engineer, data engineer, and in the ML platform.
Okay, and I think something interesting about CFM is how the Python technology that we see here a lot, or more generally the data technology, is used in the financial world. Often that's a bit hidden behind the
Yeah,
scenes because I think
proprietary IP and stuff like that. Yeah.
exactly the financial world is not known necessarily to be the most open.
Yeah.
And so, can you describe a little bit more how that technology is used
Yeah.
at
In fact,
CFM?
in CFM, we have a researcher that use a lot of Python to do machine learning. And also to do predictors to predict data from the market. So basically, everything for machine learning is Python. So yeah, scikit-learn and all the technology behind that.
Okay, so I understand correctly that there's market information, and then based on that market information, there are trading decisions that are made, and
Exactly.
that process from data to decision is basically handled by various.
Yeah, multiple layers in fact of decision. You have I work with a researcher, and they just implement some models and try to find some models to predict from data the next probable data price. And there is a multiple model, and next there is the decision algorithm that take all the prediction from the matek and try to arrange the execution order to put on the market.
Okay, and you specifically, what do you work on?
Specifically, I try to make researcher more productive. In fact, so they can just industrialize their work. So, for instance, if they have to do hyperparameter tune for the model, you can do it linearly. So try every model, try and I don't know, maybe 1 week of training. And my part is to permit the researcher to make it parallel and to go on the cloud to do that, because that demand a lot of computing, and we try to parallelize more and more of the training.
So there must also be a large DevOps component in
Yeah,
your job, right?
yeah. In fact, yes. There is another team which do also DevOps, but since we are just a new team in CFM, we do a lot of DevOps to try to advertise how to use the cloud to make a researcher more productive, and how to handle the constraints about IP protection and the cloud, and how to handle data and the normalization, how to do ML in fact in the cloud.
And can I ask what scale is this happening on approximately in terms of already the development teams, for example? Are you working in a bigger team, or is it?
In fact, we are working in a little team, but we are growing because each of us has a specific entry point on a different team in CFM. So, like I said, I work with the teams we do prediction, and the researcher we do that does prediction too. And there is also a team in CFM. So we have a team of I don't know 6 people for now, and still growing because a lot of work was used on-premise. We use a lot of on-premise before that, and we try to move everything on the cloud.
Okay. And what is your relationship to the open source projects behind? Are you using similar technology as, let's say, a researcher in academia?
Yeah, in fact, yes. The researcher use a lot of scikit. They try to test a lot of new stuff. So there is also a lot of putting some new models and trying to see if the new models can try to learn with our data or not. So yeah.
Great. Yeah, I think that gives us a good idea, a glimpse into that the world of development in the financial domain. Thanks,
Yeah,
Florian.
you're welcome.
And yeah, see you around the conference. I hope
Yeah.
you can enjoy it more.
Thanks.